Alright, sir, stop procrastinating.
We're not procrastinating, we're just dying because I consumed that biscuit entirely too fast, and now I feel like I'm about to mess the bed.
We got the spark plugs replaced, and there was some oil on some of the spark plugs, which we're assuming might be the reason why it was causing a misfire. But the problem is, when I removed this, which was a Troy just told me this like 5 minutes ago. Something that splits the air from, you know, one side of this into another, something like that. I don't really know what I'm doing, but doing that, we did find out that when I removed this, apparently it's missing a major part that goes right here, which is somewhere down there in the intake, and could be blocking one of the pipes. So, this could be the reason why we actually can't rev above 2,000 RPMs. Thankfully, Troy actually has another one of those base things, which is somewhere around the shop. Got the other part from that other extra part, and from this thing. What? This little thing. Yeah.
Itchy.
Record me lose another screw. Sir? Sir? Ow!
Okay, we're gonna watch Jay here get beat with a fucking really expensive camera. Where'd it go? Where'd it go, Jay?
I need a flashlight. I wasn't actually intentionally doing that. Just actually happened.
Sometimes you gotta stick your hand in places you're not sure of and be terrified. Stick it in places where you can't see it.
Like there?
Where'd it go?
Inside. So we couldn't get parts from Pull Apart over at Augusta, Georgia, so now we are going to
Columbia. An hour and 3-minute ride from here, but we have to stop and make a pit stop. 1, because we need fuel, and 2, I need a Monster, because life water. I haven't had one today. I'm dying over here.
Same.
So,
and 3, I need to go kaboom!
I wasn't going to tell him all that.
No.
I wasn't going to tell him Jay's got a shit.
Too late now.
Alright, well, enjoy. This trip's going to suck for us, but, you know, you guys, it'll just be like that, so fuck it.
Yeah, just like...
But I'm going here and get the window regulators, see if they got a MAF sensor, just so I can get mine back on my car.
But we already ordered one.
I know, but it'd just be... Okay, well, fine. We'll leave
extra.
Yeah, we'll have extra.
We only have a total of 2 regulators. Total? Yeah. Yeah. What? A turbo? Can we use it as a regulator?
I mean, we can probably fab up something. Get up on the 2-step and create like a heat expansion valve to send pressure down and roll down all the windows when you're on the 2-step. You know, put the dump valve right there so it rolls the window down. Go. Fuck off. Don't judge me. That motor mount's putting in work. The only thing holding this motor.
Doing biceps for days. What was that? What, 250 pounds?
Probably more. That's a V6. That's a big engine.
I think I can do 250.
Bye, Jay.
But yeah, so hopefully we do have the right ones at home. If not, we're kind of fucked and we're just gonna have to reorder regulators, and these are gonna be just spare parts for the next project maybe. Who knows? We just really don't want to wait for probably 8 to 10 days to get the new parts and spend $80 more.
That's an LSD in it.
It has a what?
Limited slip differential.
you tell me that actually has a limited slip? I might actually keep.
I think it does.
Don't tell me things.
What, you think I want to fucking get rid of it now? That's why I want to go look at these marks.
I really
If
hope
they
it
are,
does.
if they grabbed evenly, it's got a fucking LSD in it.
Then I'll be mad because I wanted a LSD trans for my car, but they were trying to sell it to me for $1,700 for an LSD trans. Well, it's a 951 trans and $650 for the NA trans, but I'm gonna LS swap it, so I needed the 951 trans, but the LSD is just too expensive.
Well, you're not gonna like us. You are not gonna like it.
So how can you tell?
An open diff will only spin one tire. As you notice, it spun one right here. And then right here is where the second one locked in. That car is a fucking LSD. And as you see, it wasn't power to just one tire. Both tires were equally spinning the entire time. This fucking car has LSD in it. This motherfucking car has the holy grail of differentials in it. Factory BMW LS fucking D. Are we sure this is a flip car now?
We need the money, but we could flip it for more. Correct me if I'm wrong on that.
Dude, this is the holy grail.
So does that mean we can sell the car for 8 to 9 grand?
No, it's not an M3. It's not a 330i or an M3. It's not. This is the sport pack.
6 grand.
I don't know. It's definitely an M Sport now. That LSD confirms it's an M Sport because I doubt there's people put an LSD in that fucking car.
So is that the reason it has that M on there?
Yeah.
So that M is legit.
That's a genuine M Sport car. God damn it. But what I don't get is M Sports didn't come in 325i's. Is this really a 325?
I mean, we got the VIN in there, right? And the title does say 325i.
It's LSD.
I don't know what to do, man. I really don't.
That's a Drift Boy's wet dream.
I really don't.
That's a Drift Boy's wet dream right there. That car has everything I was searching for in BMWs. LSD, manual transmission, black on black.
But the, oh, dude.
Fuck.
Does this not make me, I wanted to flip cars, but
Knowing this now. Fuck, man. Well, there we are, end of the day. Car runs, car drives, car drifts. Yeah, it's on grass, we know. Don't care. We ain't got pavement to go do that on. So, wagon's gonna get parted out. I'm taking some of the parts, of course, because I need something like the AC compressor for the beautiful BMW.
Don't mind the trash
E46.
down there. Ignore it. It's gonna be gone.
Yeah.
So it turns out it is an M Sport, right? And it
is
does have
a
an
legitimate
LSD.
D-badged M Sport. Yeah.
So like, oh, and another thing, that's probably all gonna happen. You all are gonna see a lot more in the garage once we actually get it all cleaned up. We do have to clean the rest of the garage up because we've only got 1/3 of it clean. Barely. So that's probably it for this video. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button. Give us a comment on what you think on the new car. Well, not new, but new to us. And we got it for $1,400. What you guys think about it? Of us getting lucky of getting an M Sport Edition LSD trans. And if you want to see more videos,
Oh, they're going to fucking destroy you. It's a D-badged BMW M Sport. 5-speed manual, LSD transmission. We don't know if they swapped that in there or what, but it is an actually genuine M Sport. Now what you said is you said it's an LSD trans. They will destroy you.
oh, well, that's why I got a master mechanic, right? We've established this. Novice, master. I do the videos, he does the work. Kind of. Something like that. But if you do want to see more of this videos as it gets better and better, make sure to subscribe to us. And we'll see you guys next time. Deuces.